This video will show you how to get high-quality scan data with white light mode of EinScan H2. Taking the flower girl vase as the sample, there is reflective metallic paint at the bow and the bottom of the bouquet. Select white light mode, create a new project group to enter the scanning interface. If you want to continue scanning the existing project group, click Open Project Group. Features alignment mode is recommended when the object has rich geometric features. Select medium resolution if you have no high requirement on data detail. Turn on the texture scan. You can check the online user manual for more information. Next, we enter the scanning interface. Turn on data quality indicator if needed. It will guide you to achieve better data quality. Press the Start button once to start preview. In the preview, please check the distance bar on the left side and then the brightness. Press the Start button again to start scanning. During scanning, keep scanner cameras looking straight at the scanning area on the object. You can use a manual turntable for easy scanning. Rotate the turntable slowly in case of any movement of the object. Press the upper button at the back panel of the scanner to zoom in for checking the details. If the data quality indicator is turned on, please scan the object until most of the parts turn green. Otherwise, insufficient data may cause loss when generate point clouds. Meanwhile, observe the distance indicator on the left side of the software. The distance is proper when it turns green. When the scanning is finished, press the Start button again to pause the scan. Check if there is redundant data. Using connected domain and invert functions at the bottom of the software to quickly select the redundant data. Click Optimize and generate point clouds. If single scan cannot get a complete data model, create a new project to complement the remaining parts. Adjust the angle of the object to scan the bottom side of the vase. Delete the redundant data. Click Optimize and generate point clouds. Now align the 2 point clouds to get a complete model. Click Align on the right side of the software to enter the project alignment interface. Select the 2 project files in fixed window and floated window. Choose Feature Alignment and click Apply. Alignment will be performed automatically in most cases. Close the alignment interface. Check the model and make sure there is no misalignment. Then mesh the data. You will see mesh settings after clicking the Mesh button. Choose Watertight. The software will close all holes according to the captured data. You can choose unwatertight if raw data is needed, and unclosed model will stay the way it is scanned. Turn on the recommended parameters button, the software will configure all the mesh settings for you. Apply settings. Here you get the mesh data.